Five of our level 2 students are here to showcase their knowledge about parts of human body. Zainab Sikandar is going to present the model of human heart and explain the parts and working.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Zainab Sikandar and today I am going to talk about the human heart. This is the model of the human heart. Did you know our heart will beat 70 to 80 times in 1 minute? The heart has 4 chambers: right atrium, left atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle. The deoxygenated blood will enter the heart through the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava.
Thank you, dear. Next, Aisha Mahavish is here to explain the working of human ears.
Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is a model of the ear. The ear is divided into 3 parts: the outer ear, the middle ear, the inner ear. What we see outside is called the pinna. Do you know how we hear sounds? The pinna acts as a funnel. It catches the sound and sends them through the ear canal to the eardrum. The eardrum is a tightly stretched skin. When the sound hits it, it starts to vibrate. The vibrations move the tiny bones which are called the ossicles. This will make movement inside the cochlea. The cochlea is a part of the inner ear which is filled with fluid and tiny hairs. When the tiny hairs move, they send signals to the brain through the auditory nerve. That's how we hear sounds. Thank you.
Thank you, dear Mashallah. Next, Faiha Babu is here to explain the importance of human eyes.
Our eyes are like two precious jewels that help us see the world. Without them, we would not be able to enjoy nature, read books, or serve a loved one. Our eyes are important for learning and education, communication, safety and protection, appreciation and enjoyment. Let's take care of our eyes by eating healthy food. And for a goal checkup, avoid screen time before bed. Dear friends, please remember our eyes a precious gift. Let's cherish and take care of them. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, dear. Next, Sama Sara is going to explain the parts of human lungs.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am for presenting my project, Human Respiratory System. Human respiratory system is a system by which we inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. The parts of human respiratory system are nose, mouth, trachea, bronchial, lungs, bronchioles and diaphragm. Lungs are present in the chest cavity on either side of the heart. There are 2 lungs. Chest cavity rounded by ribs. There are 2 lungs. The right lung bigger than the left lung. There are spongy. The primary function is lung is to facilitate the exchange of the gases between the blood and the air. So to have healthy lungs, we have to breathe fresh air
And quit smoking. Thank you, dear. Next, Anaya Zara will explain about human kidney, parts and functioning.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I will talk about our kidney function. Our kidneys are 2 very important organs made up of tiny filter called nephrons. Kidneys are a pair of bean-shaped structures that are located below the rib cage, one on each side of the spine. The kidneys help filter waste out of the blood and make new red blood cells and make strong bones. They also help balance the fluid level in our blood to maintain homeostasis. We can improve kidney function by eating a healthy diet, exercising regularly and managing our weight. And we can also try to reduce stress and sleep well. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you, dear. Lastly, Hannah is here with us to explain the human digestive system.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I am going to presenting digestive system. The digestive system is starting from the mouth, the ending at the anus. First we put food in our mouth, the teeth will chew our food. And the saliva is coming from saliva gland and the food goes to stomach through the food pipe. Do you know stomach has digestive juice inside and the food goes to small intestine. Small intestine also has digestive juice. Liver and pancreas give them digestive juice. Small intestine absorb the digestive food and the waste goes to large intestine. Large intestine absorb the water and the waste goes to anus. Bye.
MashaAllah, thank you, dear. Alhamdulillah, how perfectly designed is our body. Jazakumullahu khairan.